Hey guys, let's do a chin wax on my lovely client using Sexy Smooth Cherry Desire. Now this was an add-on service. This was not her original service. She originally got a Brazilian wax and asked, can we do her chin? And I said, yeah, if I could record it. And she said, cool with her. So here we are. I don't get chin waxes often, but when I do, I try to record it just to let females know that, you know, if you suffer from PCOS, Hirsutism, that you are not alone. And it's nothing to be embarrassed or ashamed about. This is a hormonal imbalance. And the best way to basically take care of it is, yes, your aftercare, but waxing or lasering. The hairs were pretty thick, and I did think I was going to have a little bit of trouble getting them up. But, baby, look at that wax strip. Look at that wax strip. Like, no lie, no bullshit. When I waxed her and I saw this strip, I was surprised. Her face is clean. Clean. Smooth. And you might see a little hyperpigmentation. That's due to excessive shaving. And like I said, the best way to avoid any hyperpigmentation or dark marks is to have a good at-home regimen. And also either lasering or waxing. So this was my first time using this particular wax on the face, and I was actually surprised. I'm going to keep saying it. I was surprised at how much hair was actually being pulled from my client on the first pull at that. I think I only had to do like 2 or 3 cleanup strips, and that was it. I was sending her about her way. Look at this strip. Look how clean her face is. So guys, because the hairs on this particular area are a little bit more stubborn, I do want to go in with one more cleanup strip because I do see some stragglers there. So I'm going to go in to try to do a cleanup strip to see if I could get those up. And as I'm going in, I'm applying as much pressure as this stick and my client will allow me, because this is the face. And look at that. I saw them white hairs. Did y'all see them white hairs? I got that up, child. So now we're going to move on to the other side. And I just want to stop real quick to show y'all side by side of what's going on. Look at that. Y'all know that TikTok when they be like, I don't mean to call you, nope. But this motherfucker's clean. That's what I said when I saw this video back. Like, look at the side by side. Like, this is literally a before and after type of thing. Like, the left side is so clean, so smooth. And then you have the right side, which what we about to get into now. So, I'm rolling all that wax off the stick and I'm applying pressure. You applying pressure to the strip you are doing is going to give you that clean after that you're looking for. Now I'm dropping gems, and I said I wasn't going to drop none. So y'all turn y'all volume up and y'all listen. So I'm making sure the area is dry. And then we just going to hold the skin taut and pull. Now it got a little tacky right here, but that don't mean nothing. Look at that. Look at this strip. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Honestly, I was so glad that she decided to do this as an add-on. Coming from somebody who does have hirsutism, making that switch from shaving to waxing is kind of huge. And then on top of that, opening up to allow somebody to help you, you know, take care of your hirsutism is even more better. So hope she continue on with her waxing journey, because this will not be the end of it. And I will be reaching out to her in about 3 weeks to see when does she want to come in again. But her results were so good. I was so surprised. I'm not going to hold y'all. Sexy Smooth Wax. Mwah. No boss. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. So we're going to go in with some more cleanups, because if I could see it, you could see it. And then we're going to be done. She did so good. I did her Brazilian wax, right? And she's telling me, like, I'm nodding off. I was not, girl, I was almost asleep. Sleep during a Brazilian wax is crazy, but I love the energy. Like, I love it. So with this wax or any wax, you don't want to leave it on too long. Once you feel it's dry, you want to take it right off. Boom. We're going to go for it. So if you want to try this wax out, the link will be in the description box below. It is 50% off right now. You could get an additional 20% off, making each bag of wax you purchase just $10. Yes, $10 per bag using code Toni, Toni. Again, I will put the link down in the description box below. If you buy it, tag me in a video. Let me know how you like it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video. We only got like a minute left, but y'all see it. The proof is in the pudding. This wax is in my top 5. I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all a top 5 video of my favorite waxes. This one is the top 5. On top of that video, I'm gonna let y'all know my favorite wax to use right now. So that's it for me, y'all. I'm done. This video was short, quick, easy, simple. I will see y'all in the next video. I do have a Brazilian wax video coming out because I know that's what y'all here for. I will release that probably like Tuesday or something like that. I'm going to edit it right now. Or hell, I might release it on Sunday because today's Saturday. But love you guys. See you in the next video.